everyone, it's Melanie and welcome to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. I am so excited about today's video. So many of you guys have reached out to me about the next Lux Academy or how you can get the Lux Academy in-person experience online. So today I have a very exciting announcement, and actually I have more than one announcement. So I'm so excited about today's video. So I have two very exciting announcements, and I'm not sure which one to share first. Well, do you want the good news or the gooder news? Let me know. Good news or gooder news? Is gooder a word? Okay, you guys, I'm just being silly. I am so excited to be teaming up with iHeart Planners. I'm going to be one of their guest speakers this year, and I'm going to be sharing step-by-step instructions on how to do a quarantine party on a budget. And so what's going to be different from this video than some of the videos that I've shared here on YouTube is the fact that I'm going to be doing like behind the scenes, step by step by step. And you guys know how much I absolutely love sharing, and it is absolutely free. So if you want to register for this free session with me, I will leave all of the information down in the description box below for you to secure your free seat. Yay! Don't we love free? Speaking of free, I also have some other super exciting classes coming up. Some of them will be free classes. Some of them, of course, come with a cost. So the first one I will be hosting will be August the 16th, and you can register for it on my website, and it's almost full, so you guys need to go check it out. I also mentioned that many of you guys wanted to do Lux Academy, the hands-on experience. You wanted that hands-on experience virtual. So my husband and I have figured out a way to make that happen. We will be offering Lux Academy on September 5th and October 10th. And I also have all of those things listed on my website as well. But if you're not able to make it in person, we're only going to accept like 10 people because we do know the world is in a pandemic right now. And a lot of people have still expressed their interest in coming. The rules and regulations for being able to come, if you are one of those 10 people, are very strict. Okay, it is an outdoor event, and it's a small event, but the space is designed to house like 500 people, so we'll be extremely spread out. But the great thing about it is if you're not comfortable with coming in person, which I totally understand, we will be filming it live as well. So it's going to be filmed while it's going on, and you'll be able to ask questions and interact, and then I'll send you a list of all of the materials you need to build the centerpieces we're building or to build the backdrops that we're building. And I'm super excited about this. I'm also very nervous. We do have a backup plan, so like if something happens, you know, every time you go live, you run the risk of there being some type of connectivity issue. So we are also filming as well, and we'll create a space where you'll be able to access these videos at your convenience to watch them and kind of do it hands-on in the comfort and the safety of your own home. So if you guys are interested in that, I have the link down in the description box for that as well. So for all of you who have been wanting and praying and wishing to be able to have that hands-on experience with me without having to physically travel here, your wish has been granted. Your prayers have been answered. So I am so excited about this. I'm excited about all of the classes that we have coming up. We also have a full school that will be launching at the end of the year that will come with certificates. And I mean, it's going to be so fun, you guys. I'm so excited about it, and I can't wait to share it with you all. So yeah. One of the things I would love to know from you is, with the new school, what specific classes are you guys interested in me teaching? Of course, I'm going to be doing backdrops and centerpieces and the basics of design, but what are some of the other subject matters that you may be interested in terms of event planning? Now, one important thing to note is that these classes you'll be able to purchase them individually. Unlike the virtual experience, you know, you'll learn everything in one setting. With these classes, you can kind of pick and choose exactly what you're interested in. So if you don't need the basics of business, you don't have to take that. You can just take backdrop, or you can just take centerpieces, or you can just take, you know, whatever you're interested in. It'll just be one class. So I'd love to hear what other things you guys may be interested in as well. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all of your continuous prayers and support. And I hope you guys check out the free resources that I do have available. Again, all of that information will be down in the description box below, and I will also pin it in the comments. So once registration is closed, I will definitely, once everything is filled up, those classes will be closed. So don't procrastinate, you guys, because as soon as these things fill up, I'm going to close the classes and move forward. I want to thank you guys for all of your continuous and unwavering support throughout this very trying and just unbelievable, unprecedented time. I don't take it lightly. I sincerely thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!